want to start off by saying this project took a heck of a lot longer than I anticipated it to. So for the people that I told that I gave an estimated completion time on, I apologize for it taking longer than I really thought it would. For those that don't know, I started this project on November the 3rd, and it is the 14th today, so pretty close to 2 weeks, on and off, most days working like an hour and a half, 2 hours on it. It's really been a long, involved project. So I also want to say that I did this project for my wife, and I hope that if she gets to this point in the video that she just appreciates, and you know, I know she likes it, but I hope that she appreciates actually how much time and effort that I put into it, as well as anybody else who watches the video. It's been a learning process. I made a few mistakes along the way, and I learned some things. For one, this is like an old MDF little kind of side tabletop, and it soaks up paint. It's like a sponge, so that's something that I learned. It's also like one of the biggest carving projects that I've done as far as wood carving goes. And I don't know if you can tell, but I've got some pretty tiny tools there. I didn't want to hit the whole piece with the Dremel, the rotary tool, just because I didn't want to like have blowout in the corners and the finer details that I was trying to carve. I didn't manage to avoid it completely, but it was better to carve those areas like you see now than to try to hit them with the Dremel, I feel like, anyway. But yeah, it took quite a while to get done with the carving, so. It took quite a bit of sanding to get everything caught up, and you'll soon see where I learned that it drinks paint. I guess the masking in hindsight wasn't 100% necessary. I thought that the spray paint that I use would cover a lot more of it than it did. I only had like a third of a can of white spray paint. That's another thing that I've learned out of this project, is that I really need to invest in some more white paint of all varieties, because I'm pretty well out. Acrylic, spray, you know, doesn't matter. I'm running pretty low. And you'll see one part later here, I try to take an airbrush to it because I thought, well, that'll be faster than painting it by hand, and we're getting pretty close to that right now, actually. And well, even my airbrush paint's got a little aged and kind of chunky, so I guess it is what it is to some extent. But here you can see what I'm talking about with the airbrush paint that I've got. It's I believe it's an acrylic, but I've had it for I don't even know how many years now, and I shook up the bottle and everything, and this is still what came out of it. So probably time to reinvest in some more of that. Well, it's time, but being able and what time it is are two different things anyway. I was still able to use it and managed to get some pretty good coverage out of it. And well, from here it's pretty much painting. I didn't really have any more problems with breaking through where it used to have the brackets to hold the table legs on it. So I'm happy about that. And well, I mean, for the most part, I just hope that you enjoy the video, and remember to be safe, be good. Please like, share, and subscribe. consider checking out, my Patreon. This is one of the sort of kind of projects that I would like to do more of, but it's hard to do. I'm sure everyone can understand that, especially in this time. But yeah, just be safe, be good, enjoy the rest of the video, and hope to see you on the next one. Also, everything will be linked and credited in the description, so don't forget to check that out. So this little bit of recording is just for the people who I know that are going to skip to the end of the video. Remember to check the links in the description, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you skipped, I hope you at least enjoyed the end product. But remember, be safe, be good. Check out the things in the description. Alright, hope to see you on the next one.